I have a new aroma for you in our aluminum and baking soda free deodorant. No aluminum, no baking soda. This is our spa day. This is featuring real lemon peel oil, real cucumber extracts, and a touch of tea tree oil. This is a wonderful aluminum-free deodorant. It really helps inhibit the growth of the bacteria, which causes those body odors that we don't want. We know tea tree to be antimicrobial, antibacterial, all those good things. So that touch of that tea tree is awesome, but it's not overpowering as sometimes tea tree can lend itself to be. So I can't wait for you to try our new Spa Day deodorant. You know, as always, our deodorants go on clear, leaving no residue. Turn on your smell-o-vision. This is a wonderful aroma for both men and women alike. Love that uplifting lemon aroma. Got that hint of that cool cucumber and then that touch of tree to finish it off. You're gonna love it. All of our deodorants have castor oil in them. They just go on really smooth, got aloe, and you're going to love the feel, and most of all, you're going to love the fact that they work. If you have not yet did a charcoal detox, ask me about that and I'll be happy to assist you in your natural health journey and aluminum-free deodorant.